Did you know the leading cause of fire is unattended cooking? That's right. Now, there's gonna be lots of football games on for Thanksgiving, but don't get distracted by that interception. Make sure to keep an eye out on your cooking and never leave your food unattended.
Cooking safety tip number 1.
If you're baking, simmering, or roasting, be sure to check it regularly or use a timer. And you should stay at home while you're cooking. Don't keep the oven on and leave your home.
Cooking safety tip number 2.
Don't forget to keep a kid-free zone for the holidays. Children and pets should remain at least 3 feet away from the stove or any area where hot food or beverages are being prepared or carried. Also, keep anything that can catch fire away from the stovetop.
Cooking safety tip number 3.
Keep a lid close by when you're cooking on the stove. If there's a small fire in the pan, slide the lid over the pan and turn the burner off. Keep the pan covered until it is completely cool. Now, remember, don't ever put water on a grease fire, and if the fire happens to be in the oven, keep the door closed and turn the oven off.
Cooking safety tip number 4.
If you have a fire while you're cooking and you're in doubt, just get out. If you're unsure whether or not you can fight the fire, grab everyone, go outside, and call 911 from outside of your home.